best way to make a woman miss you insanely. The easiest part of getting to know a woman is in the beginning. It's all new and exciting, so both of you are practically all over each other, constantly missing each other or just talking or texting the night away. The hard part comes after the introductory phase has ended, when you've said all of the interesting things about your ideas and values and how the past has shaped you into the man or woman that you are today. This is all fun, but how do you keep the chemistry going after this? How do you make her miss you like you did when you first began talking? There are 4 rules to getting her to miss you like crazy. All 4 rules will be very difficult to follow because they do require you to be strong and be willing to lose her if for some deeper reason she does not miss you. Rule number 1, don't be so needy. In the beginning, it may have been acknowledged as cute and sweet, but the more the relationship progresses, the more desperate you seem. Women want to feel wanted, but not wanted too much where it seems that you can't live without them. It is imperative that she feels that you aren't clingy and that you can just easily go a day without hearing her beautiful voice. You have a life too, so don't forget about that. It's nice that you want to hear from her or text her all the time, but don't. Let her need and want you like you need and want her. In the beginning, you may have gone to sleep saying good night and waking up the next morning with a cute good morning text. Stop doing this if you feel that this is no longer appreciated or reciprocated. Give her some space to breathe and realize that she enjoys that stuff from you. Women like to complain sometimes to the person that they like or love, so let her complain about not getting those romantic texts in the morning or at night. Let her complain about you not calling as much, and soon enough, she will be missing you more than you had ever missed her before. Rule number 2, don't always respond to texts or phone calls. I know what you might be thinking to yourself. Why would you not answer her phone call when she's calling you? It might be important, or she's clearly missing you, so why play games? I'll tell you why you want to play games. You play the game because everyone wants to have a little mystery in their lives. Let her mind wander off thinking what you might be doing. Let her notice that you're not always there for her when she needs your attention. This will make her appreciate the attention when you do give it to her. That way, there is equal give and take. She wants to talk to you when you are able to, not just when she wants to. Every good relationship has to be built on equality and understanding. Although being there for her whenever she needs it may be great, you have to understand that you also have to be a strong individual that has other things to do. Rule number 3, don't act jealous. Women tend to do this very often to test men's patience and to see which ones are the super confident ones. In all truthfulness, all people are a little jealous and territorial around the people that they are quite fond of. Women still like the illusion that their man is secure enough to know that even if 100 guys hit on her, that she will still only have eyes for him. This will show her that you are dominant and comfortable in your own skin. This is also a great test in which 99% of men will fail at some point in their lives. She may not want you to be jealous when she's telling you stories about other guys, but every once in a blue moon, she's going to want you to be a little jealous and territorial. I know, it's crazy. Listen to everything she says because eventually it all becomes important. Rule number 4, give your girlfriend space. Sometimes emotions and hormones can get in the way of a relationship. Sure, you may have somehow messed things up, but it's difficult to understand what a woman is thinking when it's that time of the month for her. The smallest things can be completely blown out of proportion, and it can easily lead to a huge fight where one of you says we should just take a break. This is a bit extreme, of course, but it happens even to the best of us in the strongest relationships. The key to situations like this is to apologize for whatever it is that you did wrong only once. Because women always remember the important things, so don't overdo it with the apologies. Give her the space she needs and the time she wants, and eventually, when things cool down, she will want to talk to you again. She will want to talk to you because you were calm and confident. You didn't panic because she may have wanted to break up with you. Now she knows that you care, but you are willing to lose her. Final thought on how to make her miss you. If you have the slightest idea that your relationship with this woman isn't a good fit, then it may not be the worst idea to let her go. If you find yourself in a crazy fight after crazy fight with her and constant problems arise, it may be a good idea to leave the negativity behind you. Sometimes it's just not meant to be, and that's okay. Thanks for watching this Evolution of Dating presentation. As a gift for taking action to be an irresistible man, I want to give you a free copy of my guide, 5 Secret Psychological Tricks to Attracting Beautiful Women. It shows you how women think and what makes them attracted to men. Click the link in the description below of this video to watch the next video that shows you how to get this free guide. Or just click the image on the right side of this screen to be taken directly to the video that shows you how to access my free guide. If you enjoyed this video to help you attract hot women, subscribe to this channel to join the Evolution of Dating community. I'm Isaac Wilson, and I'll see you in the next video.